And a bit of a flat day on the local share market. Earlier I spoke to Charlie Aitken from Southern Cross Equities. Charlie Aitken, the new week begins where the old one left off in big picture terms.
Well, yeah, I think that's pretty right, Ticky. Still concerns about, the effects of the Japanese earthquake, Libyan airstrikes, etc. But the market really was a little bit down today, mainly because of BHP. The market down 9 points, BHP accounting for 7 points of that. And really just a bit of a dull start to the trading week, but relative to the volatility we've had lately, 9 points down is actually a pretty good outcome. Not
dull for the Australian dollar, now at a post-float high. Has that had any impact on share prices?
Definitely had the market thinking. It's not just versus the US dollar as well. You've got to remember we're up at 64 pence and 73 euro, so broad strength for the Aussie dollar. It does have the market thinking about exporters and commodity prices in Aussie dollars and etc. But the main thing it has it thinking about is M&A. I mean, the currency markets are alight with stories about, who is potentially buying all these Australian dollars, and the theory is it could be for some corporate action, so let's wait and see.
Gold and copper prices seem to have lost a little bit of their lustre. Is that why the miners have been struggling a bit?
I don't think so, Ticky. I mean, gold's still $14.25 an ounce, all but a record. Copper's $4.42 a pound, all but a record, give or take 1%. I think the problem was today that the Aussie dollar broke out, as you know, to the upside in the trading range. And remember, all the commodities are denominated in US dollars, so the market was trying to think about the margins for Australian dollar producers. So I don't think it was actually the physical prices, I think it was more the Aussie dollar.
And what do you think of the speculation that Fortescue Metals could be seeking to list in Hong Kong?
Well, that one I actually don't believe. I think there's always rumours about Fortescue. I don't see what that would achieve. I think the market today didn't really believe it either, with Fortescue shares unchanged on the day. Look, the theory is you'd get a better price by listing some of the company in Hong Kong. I don't think that works, and I'd be very surprised if this turned out to be an accurate